Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will see how we can use this 7809 series IC by using the two 9-volt batteries in series circuit. Now, take the one wire out from the 9-volt battery. Suppose I am taking this black wire. Connect the another connectors negative terminal, positive terminal to this negative terminal. Now the last black terminal will be added to the same place where the first one was added, like here. Okay. Now connect another battery. Let me first check the voltage of this battery. It is 8.24. Okay. And voltage of our previous battery is 9.14. So I'm going to connect this over here. Now two batteries are connected. Let's check the combined voltage of the circuit. Okay, I've added two batteries. Now check the positive terminal. Anywhere like I'm going to check it here, and negative to negative terminal. It is 17 volts. Okay. Now we have to reduce the voltage. So in the same circuit, what we have used in the earlier 7805 and for 06, I'm going to add this 7809 series IC. Now 09 is added. Now let's check the output voltage. To see the multimeter, you will find 8.88, which is nearly equal to 9 volt. So we can conclude that these ICs can regulate the voltage up to a desired limit as we require in the circuit. I hope you understood and cleared the concept of the series connection of batteries and how you can reduce the voltage up to 9 volt by using a 7809 series IC. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.